Good day. My name is Lady Joanna Ramirez. Let's talk about the effects on technology on the environment. How do you see the future of our planet? I consider that the future of our planet will do better since the United Nations and governments have taken action to reduce environment damage. There are also companies that have developed technology advance where they benefit our planet with machines that pay to recycle bottles. Um, this is a way to motivate people to recycle. But we must also change our habits and reduce excessive consumption, eh, as they reduce land degradation and environment pollution. On the other hand, there is deforestation, which causes rapid urbanization. This helps economic growth, but affects environment pollution and does not allow it to reduce global warming. How to mitigate the environment damage? The environment damage, um, I consider that environment damage can be mitigated by teaching new generation the care we must take to improve the quality of the environment. We can also recycle, reuse, plant, and care for plants. Other precautions uh, that we must take is to avoid burning, throwing, throwing garbage near water sources. Thank you.